What up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back again to this video. Um, Today we'll be taking a buy on gold, right? We'll be taking a buy on gold, and this is the reason why I'm taking this buy. So first, you can see we'll have this nice 5-minute order block, right? And we'll have liquidity protecting the order block. Now I'm expecting the market to shoot up rapidly from the order block, as you can see. Apologies for not recording this thing on time, but yeah, we got into the trade and this is the results. So guys, you can see that actually this is not a $400 account, it was a $1,500 account, but then I lost like $1,000 plus because I took a trade on the wrong order block, and you can see I actually lost it. You see that I lost the trade, and so I had to re-enter so quickly and it happened so rapidly. You can see that. So I re-entered so quickly, and as the market was going, I reduced the lot size and I was adding a little bit trade there, but I piled up a lot of trade at that zone and price did as we were expecting. But for now, I can actually see a buy. As you can see, I sent this signal right here. You can see I sent this re-entry signal, but then I kind of got confused, I would say, and actually I'll be closing this trade right now. But you will see later on that price did respected our analysis and then move as expected. So I was expecting the market to kind of fall down and move up, and because I pile in more trades, if the market draw down like that, then I would have lost the whole account, and I didn't want that, so I had to close this trade. But then that was a bad decision I took there, which is fine because we will make back our money anyway. And so guys, we've booked the profit. Please don't forget to join the Telegram link, my Telegram community. The link will be in the description of this video. I'll be dropping a lot of juicy stuff there. You don't want to miss out, guys. You don't want to miss out. So for this trade, guys, I'll be taking this buy on gold with one lot size, right? I'll be adding more positions, and that over there is my stop loss. And yeah, you can see, let me adjust the stop loss a little bit. Yeah, so that is my stop loss. I'm kind of using position size calculator to understand the whole lot size stuff. So you can see that the market immediately rejected from where I bought. So this is the reason why I'm taking this trade. So if you notice here, we have a double break of structure. Now, double break of structure is actually very, very, very high probability trade, and you can see that we'll have the first pullback after the double break of structure, and the market tapped the breaker which is in the double break of structure. So it's kind of a high probability trade, and you can also notice that that breaker block has fair value gap in it. So it's a good trade, and I don't want to miss this trade. So I'll be taking more buys and adding more positions because I know setup like this, they move very, very quickly. And yeah, I have to take advantage of this opportunity because trading kind of presents opportunity in time, and if you don't take advantage of those opportunity, they will be gone for good. So opportunities come, and your responsibility is to take advantage of them while you have them and do whatever you can do. So you can see the double break of structure right there, as I was explaining earlier on. So one thing also that made me to enter at that exact zone, although I wasn't kind of active on the chart when the price tapped the double break of structure, and one thing that actually made me to enter this trade was because of this trend line breakout. You all know that I use trend line breakout a lot. So if price break trend line, I wait for it to form liquidity, and then after it forms liquidity, I wait for it to tap the nearest point of interest, and then after it taps the nearest point of interest, as you can see, the nearest point of interest in this video is the order block. You can see clearly. So as soon as it tapped the order block, I entered immediately, right? I entered immediately, and I'm expecting the market to take off from there. So you can see we're in a $700 floating profit. So with that being said, let's see what happens to this trade. So you can see price actually went up and it came down, and then I actually added more positions, And as I was adding more positions, I set the signal to my Telegram community. At first it was a miss entry, so we kind of hop on the trade so early, and currently it's moving so well, right? So I'll be booking this profit. I will not be waiting for the market to take out the external liquidity as usual, because I've hit my 1000% take profit, 900% I would say. But yeah, let's book this profit and move to the next, guys. So for my next trade, you can see I'm taking a sell on gold, and the closing of that candle right there, the high of the candle, is actually my stop loss. And I'll be entering this trade with like 10 lot size, so we got not enough money over there. So I'll be entering this trade with 10 lot size, as you can see. So this is the reason why I'm entering this trade. Now if you check on 4 hours, you'll see a CRT formation, right? You can see it's CRT high, price swept the CRT high, and then we're expecting the market to kind of fall down to take out the CRT low. Now CRT is more like engineered liquidity, like in a broad perspective, right? If you're looking at it from a higher time frame, like a trend view, right? So it's more like engineered liquidity, and here is why. So if you look on a higher time frame, so this is kind of the confirmation for taking the sell, right? The confirmation, there was a major trend line breakout, so I had to hop on that sell and get the most out of it, right? Now I'm expecting the market to sell off to take out the CRT low, and you can see we're having the market actually respecting our setup. You can see, so I'm actually zooming out of this trade right now, you can see, because I'm kind of feeling like there should be a buy, you know, at this order block right there, because it has liquidity protecting the whole order block. So I'm kind of skeptical on holding this trade, although that was a bad decision I made, because the market did tank and made the most money out of it. But yeah, it is what it is. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.